guys, how you going? I'm on this job here, a bit of a dilemma. What do I do? Do I tape up the windows or don't I tape up the windows to paint? There's nowhere to tape, okay? So they're a pain in the royal butt, so I don't even try to do them. They're all brushed in, 3 coats, sanded, plastered, gapped, a whole lot, 3 coat. We've got some different type of windows, more expensive windows. So they've got a nice flat edge, so you can actually tape them up. So you have to think about, is it going to be quicker just to paint them all by hand, 3 coats, or tape them up? I mean, a lot of people will tape them up and plastic them and spray them. And that's fine, and I can do that too, but I'm actually just going to brush these. So, and I have sprayed before. So this is just what I've done. Now it does take a lot of time to do. In the amount of time it took me to tape this up, I could have actually brushed them. Rightio. So I had to think to myself, well, is it going to be worth it taping it up or not? But then I thought, well, I've got 3 coats to go on. These are nice windows, nice and easy to tape up. I'll tape these up. I've got another house next door. I'm going to do the same thing too. Probably I think it's got the same windows. And I'll just brush 3 coats in on these windows here, window boxes. I won't be taping them up. I won't be plasticking them up. So we've got, I'll just show you the other, we've got probably 10, 15 windows here to do. Like I said, those ones there, we won't be taping up. I know these ones here are a pain in the butt when they're so close to here. So, I mean, I just smashed them and paint them, and this is the undercoat, so that's all good. And like these ones here, you can't do these any quicker. The time you muck around there, and then having to clean the paint off afterwards, there's a bit of work in it. But I've got another house here. This is the house I'm doing now. We've got another house to start there, and I'm by myself still. I'm still by myself. So this house, I think it's my 4th day today. It's 177 metres, and I'll have this finished in a couple of days. That house there, on the other hand, is over 300 metres, and it's high ceilings, so it's quite a large home. Whether I do that one by myself, I'm not sure. We'll see what happens. I can get in and putty up and do all the other stuff that needs doing, and I'll do that. I'm not afraid to do that house by myself. 2 weeks, no problems, man. You know, I'm in 5 days, and that's taking it easy. That's without busting my ass. Well, I will be busting my ass, but you know what I mean. I'm not killing myself. The thing is, what bothers me is the hour and a half drive each way when it's busy. So I'm actually working the weekend. It's the weekend at the moment. Traffic's good in that time, so I'm a lot happy with that. So I'm just brushing these window boxes in, and I'll be just brushing these skirtings in and these carports. There's 2 carports here. I'm using the 75mm Uni-Pro.
Breathe you in like oxygen, oh, in an otherwise suffocating world. I'm reaching out for arms, I'm drowning in the open-ended love we're making, girl. Exhale the past, inhale a future that lasts. Change my heart, change my mind for the last time. Wanna believe in the life I've led. I don't wanna leave another word unsaid. You know my heart will follow you in tomorrow. In tomorrow. Shared my evidence you once really cared. I'm reaching for a hand to pull me